Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Anmore local and long-distance movers near me. It's not easy to keep track of everything during a relocation process, which is why you'll need reputable, professional movers and packers like 3 Movers. We provide a wide range of services including coast-to-coast relocation and storage at the best rates. Packing, shipping, and storage are all taken care of for you. For a long-distance move, there are a couple of factors that influence the charges that accumulate, but we make sure to explain the procedure before you make a decision. Although YouTube DIY videos or family and friends assistance may be very tempting, moving it is a complex process that necessitates expertise at every stage. To save time, hire a local moving company that is familiar with all of the city's nooks and crannies. Years of expertise have equipped us with a thorough awareness of our customers' needs. Moreover, the multiple trips you would otherwise have to do are avoided with our large fleet of trucks. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Anmore moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.